Okay, this is a video. It's just a little tutorial of back office. There's a lot back there, but not a lot that you necessarily need. So you're going to log in, and I'm just going to highlight a few things. Like I said, there's a lot here, and we can talk more about it later. So when you log in, it's going to say you. If you don't already know, we have a home office challenge each month. There is a first and second level. First level is 1,000 in sales, plus you get that 4% bonus. Second level is 2,000 sales plus 1 recruit. So I try and hit home office challenge 2 every month. You also have your trip tracker here, which is Hawaii right now. Countdown. It's never too late to try and earn the trip. And then you've got a couple little icons up here. So the house will take you to some details about your sales. Here. It'll also take you to my business, essentials. Okay, so under my business, the main thing you're going to need is reassign orders. Why would you want to reassign an order? Let's say someone has a party that doesn't hit $100 in sales. You can reassign their order to your VIP link that you've already created with the e-commerce, so you can build rewards. So anytime I have kind of a duddy party, I'm like, that's okay, $3 for me. I'm moving those over. Now you do have to reassign these within 2 weeks, and you can only reassign them one time. So if you accidentally put in the wrong thing, you can't reassign it. But it does let you confirm before you do that. Okay, your essentials, current specials and incentives. If you are just joined, you are in your double rewards for 12 weeks. After that, there's a monthly special you can offer them. That can be found in here or the home office branding page. So it also showcases the customer specials for this month, like what books are on sale. Out of stock list you might need to find. Let's just click on that and go to there. There's a couple ways to get to this. It's also found right up here. You can click to it. So scroll down here, out of stock. It shows you days that it is estimated to be back in stock. Now, this TBA, this Halloween book is out of stock till next year. It's just saying it because it doesn't know yet, but it is out of stock till next year. Same with all of these other Halloween books. So library titles not available, books that have gone out of print if someone's looking for one. Got a lot lately. They always review books to see, are they selling enough? This one right here, What is Moon, What It Stars, was really popular. That was a customer special, now out of print. So you can always help your customer with customer service by telling them when the book will come back in stock. A lot of people ask me if they can order from a party, and no, you can't. You're going to have to order it off my VIP page. I can't keep the party open for like 2 months. So that is essentially the main things that you need to know in back office. Like I said, there's a lot of stuff back here, but not all of it you need to know. So you can peruse around here and see what you see, but that is the gist of it. Let me know if you have any questions.